Uber Pro card. So this is all new Uber Pro card offer for Uber drivers. You can earn with Uber Pro debit MasterCard and bank account powered by Branch. Drivers and couriers get guaranteed cash back on refueling, free automatic cash outs after every trip, and up to $150 in backup balance. Pay at the pump worry free. Forget about the cashier line at most gas stations. You won't even see a temporary gas hold when you pay with Uber Pro card. 10% cashback on gas with Diamond status. So here you can see upside rewards. Transform driver app and have cashback deposit to your Uber Pro card. Cashback deals on EV charging, dining, tires and wheels. Cash out after every trip. Earnings go directly to your Uber Pro card after every trip free of charge, and you can withdraw cash at free 55,000 ATMs. So that's the idea. And that's what it is. You can also just see how you can apply wallet, payment methods. Tap on the Uber Pro card banner, fill instructions, download Uber Pro card app, set up your account in the new app, and that's just the idea. So and super easy. Anyone with active Uber Pro account can apply. There are no credit checks. So that's the idea.